Hello traders, this is Rich Derrick from tradesight. Just wanted to take a look at the ETF scans for a change of pace here rather than the stock scans for what to expect the coming session. Here's a look at the major averages, the spiders, the Qs, the diamonds, and also the small caps and the mid caps. And not really seeing any signals. We had a pretty good walk up and then a late day sell off that's got things a fair amount below the VWAP and also the opens. So definitely a distribution day, but nothing strong enough to really yield any kind of a continuation signal to the downside. Here's a look at the domestic sectors individually. There definitely are a couple of pockets of increased volume. The KRE, the OIH, the commodities have broken fairly substantially after the minutes were released from the previous Fed meeting. But again, just a small smattering, a couple of sell signals popping up here, but nothing really too dominant either way. TAN here, which is the ETF for the solar names, definitely a lot of action in the solar names today, which is something that should be worthwhile looking at again going into tomorrow. As far as the commodities go, again, there's a little bit of weakness out there in some of these commodity names. The GDX is getting hit pretty hard. That's really the weakest sector. Gold was sold off the most out of all the major commodities, and the gold shares are definitely feeling the brunt of that. They're going to be back down below some of the other major moving averages again, and still back into that still maintain that downward bias. Here are the foreign issues. Definitely, there's certainly some bumps in volume in a couple of the names, the EWT specifically and the EWZ, but again, really no real signals either way. And finally, here are the specials. These are the leveraged longs and shorts. TBT obviously pretty strong with the break in the bonds. Of course, that was also fueled by what the Fed said. And not really seeing too much outside of that here. So on balance, there's definitely some pockets of interest here and there, but we're not seeing a dominance as far as signals leaning one way or the other for tomorrow's play. So if you have any questions, feel free to pop into the laboratory, and you can ask the analyst questions in real time, and the stuff that we cover here. And please feel free to leave a comment. Again, this is Rich Derrick from tradesight, and thanks for listening.